Today we're talking about two of our top-selling anti-aging products by ZO Medical. One being the Wrinkle and Texture Repair. The Wrinkle and Texture Repair is a high-potency vitamin A product. So basically this product is used for dermal and epidermal renewal. And second is the Growth Factor Serum, which is plant and enzyme derived. Growth factors are basically the building blocks of collagen. So these products work best together because we're stimulating cell turnover and renewal, and then we're putting back in the growth factors, which is going to help to plump out the skin, smooth fine lines and wrinkles. These two products are suitable for all skin types and anybody experiencing aging skin. Any of our skin tightening procedures, with the Cyton we have the actual Skin Tight, which is a neck and jowl area tightening procedure for the neck and jowl area. The microneedling procedures is great for any laser resurfacing also. Anywhere we're resurfacing and stimulating collagen, these products work great before and after these procedures. Feel free to stop by at Rejuv to have a consultation on our skincare products with one of our aestheticians.